to explain sine rule, cosine rule. So that's important from exam point of view, and it's not that much tricky. You need to just understand and look at this video very carefully. So in the first, not when a triangle is not a right angle triangle, so we can use two rules. The first one is sine rule, and the second one is cosine rule. So first I will explain sine rule and then I will explain cosine rule along with some practice questions. So for example, if this is a triangle A, this is triangle B, triangle ABC, the sides ABC, three vertices. For example, in this triangle, the triangle is not a right angle triangle, so I cannot use Pythagoras theorem. I cannot use sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta, but I can use the sine rule. Now, what a sine rule is? Sine rule is a ratio between sides and angles. So, for example, like let's suppose this side is 9. For example, this side is 6, and angle of opposite to this side is 50, and you need to find out this angle. For example, you are finding angle B, finding angle B. When a triangle is not a right angle triangle, so it means that there is no Pythagoras, there is no hypotenuse, there is no perpendicular, there is no base. So sine rule is the ratio between the angle and the sides. So let's suppose in books you study sine rule like this, that sine A divided by small a, that is equals to sine B divided by small c, and that is equals to sine C divided by small c. So this is uh, it is very hard to memorize this, so no need to memorize this rule. So just implement this data uh, into this precision. For example, if I use this, I want to find out angle B. So angle B, finding what? Finding angle B. So for angle B, I have to see that what thing is available to me. Okay, I don't have angle B, but I have side opposite to angle B, which is what? Which is my small b. Okay, I have angle C and I have small c as well. So whatever you are finding right in the numerator like this, that sine B divide by, so side opposite to sine B is available, that is 6. Okay, okay, sine C is already available, that is sine 50 divide by small c, that is 9. As I told you, my videos are for just for the quick recap. So sine B equals, I told you guys many a times that equals to is like a wall, so this 6 will go there and it will convert in the multiplication. So sine 50 divide by 9 multiply by 6. As IGCSE students have this question in P2 and P4, as they can use the calculator in both the papers, and O levels candidate will receive this question in only paper 2. So this question will not come in paper 1. If they give in paper 1, they will give you the angle values. So sine B, so we need to find out sine B. So I know this, that I can use the scientific calculator, so I will leave B here. So when this sine will go there, it becomes sine inverse, right? Sine inverse bracket, add bracket like this, add everything which is on the right hand side of the equation in this, like this, sine 50 divide by 9 multiply by 6. Now use your scientific calculator and tell me what is the answer. So I told you guys that you have to stop the video and you have to solve the question along with me. So sine 50 divided by 9 multiply by 6. So first of all, you have to press the shift button and press the sign, so you will receive sine inverse in your calculator screen. Then add fraction, write sine 50 in the numerator, close the brackets. So divided by 9 multiply by 6, now close the bracket, equals, so I got the answer 30.7. I got the answer, and the answer is 30.7 degrees. For example, in exam you can receive this question like this, that find angle C. Then after that, right, so you can find out angle C by subtracting all the angles from the 90 degrees, or sorry, 180 degrees. So you have to subtract 180 minus 50 minus 30.7, so you can get this angle A as well. So this is all about the sine rule. So now I'll move towards the practice question. Um Wait a minute. So practice questions, they are in this messenger. So sine rule and cosine rule, let's see. So for example, they say that work out the length of the BC as a triangle is not a right angle triangle. So I need to find out this side, and the angle is a here, so that it means that this is small a. So I need to find out the small a. So let's see whether I can use it or not. So a divided by sine a equals b small b divided by sine b. Now look, I was finding angle in the previous question. That is the reason angle was in numerator. Now I'm finding side. So now side is on the numerator side. Whatever you're finding, leave it in the numerator section. So A is equals to A, the name of A is BC line divided by sine 33 equals, now the length of small b is 15. So 15 divided by sine of 112, sine of 112. Now we are finding side, so BC is here. Now this is in division, so it will go there as a multiplication. So write the fraction 15 divided by sine 112 multiply with sine 33. So put everything in a scientific calculator and you will get the answer. So fraction button 15 divided by sine 112 bracket closed times sine of 33 bracket closed equals, so the answer is 8.81 because I have to write the answer in three significant figures. 8.81 is the answer. So that's how you can solve different questions. For example, if you look at this question, it says that calculate the area of not a right angle triangle. So in this video you can see that you have to make this thing like this. So they say that area of not a right angle triangle is equals to 1 by 2 product of two sides two sides multiply with sine included. So what is sine included? Like let's suppose a is equals to 1 by 2 product of two sides. You have to make a circle like this. So 6 multiply with 7 multiply with sine 60. So place everything in the, put everything in the scientific calculator. 1 by 2 times 6 times 7 times sine 60 bracket closed. The answer is 18.18. So I will write 18.2, three significant figures. So moving forward, if I have another question related to the sine rules, so they say that calculate the size of angle ABC. So ABC center angle, लास्ट वीडियो में भी और इस वीडियो में भी समझा चुका हूँ. सेंटर वीडियो ये एंगल फाइंड करना है, तो देखें जरा साइन रूल ट्राई करते हैं इस पे. साइन बी डिवाइड बाय 20 is equals to sine 60 डिवाइड बाय 18. अब लास्ट हमने प्रैक्टिस के अंदर ये देखा था कि हम लोग साइन बी को इधर ही छोड़ेंगे, 20 राइट हैंड साइड पे जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. साइन 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 18 मल्टीप्लाई विद 20. सो आपको पता है कि आपने क्या करना है कि बी को इधर ही छोड़ना है. साइन को जब आप यहाँ पे मूव करेंगे तो साइन इन्वर्स हो जाएगा, और फिर एक बड़ी सी ब्रैकेट लगा लें और ये सारा सिस्टम इधर लिख दें. तो साइन 60 डिवाइड बाय 18 टाइम्स 20. सो कैलकुलेटर की मदद आपने करनी है. सो शिफ्ट दबा के साइन दबाएंगे तो साइन इन्वर्स आ जाएगा. फ्रैक्शन का बटन दबाएं, ऊपर लिखें साइन 60 ब्रैकेट क्लोज, नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में लिखें 18, फिर इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दें इस फ्रैक्शन को 20 ब्रैकेट क्लोज्ड इक्वल दबा दें. 74.2 आ रहा है मेरे पास. तो एंगल जो होता है वो पेपर में IGCSE और O लेवल्स वाले 1 डेसिमल प्लेस तक लिखते हैं. तो 74.2 is the answer for this. 74.2 degree. ठीक हो गया बेटा. So this was all about the sine rule. In the next video I'm going to explain what is cosine rule. So you can find out the worksheets on a Corbat maths and also in your past paper as well. So we will solve few past papers questions as well. Okay. So thank you.